Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add more features in SolidWorks. As you can see, these are all the features that is present currently in my SolidWorks, but I want to add more. So what I can do is go here, right click on it, click on customize. After that a pop-up arises. Now go to the commands, click on features. Okay, so here you can see all the features that are available in my SolidWorks. Okay, so you can use this one joint and this one intersect as well as per your requirement. What you need to do is simply select the features per your requirement, for example freeform, and drag and drop it here. Okay, so it will add now. I need to make a full screen to make it visible, but if I do a full screen, it might, okay, here's it. Okay, as you can see, it is showing now. So in that way, you can add more custom feature as per your requirement. Not only that, you can go here, align 2D, 3D, or many other tools, okay, and you can add custom features as per your requirement. Okay, so it is quite helpful. Also you need to go to inserts and then go to the features. Then you have to select all these features one by one. But what you can do is simply add in here, and it will save a lot of time going instead of insert here. So I hope you learned something from this video. For any kind of doubt and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day.